Welcome to 112 Whitaker Street in Sidney, Montana, a beautifully updated ranch-style home nestled in a quiet cul-de-sac with serene farm ground views. Kitchen offers ample cabinet space and a seamless flow into the main living areas, creating an inviting, connected feel. The dining area offers a warm, inviting space just off the kitchen, perfect for family meals or casual gatherings. A stunning dual-sided gas fireplace anchors the cozy sunken living room, where rich acacia hardwood floors and a warm, welcoming ambience set the tone. The space flows seamlessly into a generous bonus rec room with dramatic soaring ceilings, offering a versatile area ideal for lively gatherings, movie nights, or simply relaxing in comfort and style. Beginning in the expansive bonus rec room, with its lofty ceilings and warm, inviting vibe, you move effortlessly into the cozy sunken living room, centered around a striking dual-sided gas fireplace. This welcoming space continues into the dining area and thoughtfully designed kitchen, where form meets function in a layout ideal for gathering and connection. On the same floor, you'll find 3 well-appointed bedrooms and a full bathroom, offering comfortable and convenient living spaces for family or guests. This layout ensures privacy and easy access, making everyday living both practical and enjoyable. Just past the kitchen, a staircase leads you down to the lower level, where comfort and functionality continue to shine. The finished basement features a flexible 4th bedroom, perfect for an office or creative space. A spacious additional family room offers plenty of room to relax, gather, or create a personalized retreat. A renovated bathroom with modern fixtures and a dedicated laundry area enhance the comfort and functionality of the lower level. Completing this home is a concrete patio leading to a fenced backyard, ideal for gatherings or quiet mornings, and an oversized 2-car garage with alley access. Don't miss this charming Sidney property.